Hello, my name is Gabriel Stockton, and welcome to Watercolor Live 2023. I'm sure you guys are like super stoked to learn some amazing watercolor skills. I hope you have your materials to get going. I wanted to give you a personal invitation to come over to my website. So if you go over to good old Google. Let me screen share here. Do do do. Now we go over to Google. We type in Gabriel Stockton, and on my website, you're gonna see several things that you can click on. Whether if it's upcoming courses, you can watch some past videos with different societies and whatnot. What I want to do is invite you over to my channel over on YouTube, and so we'll just click on right there. It'll take you on over to the YouTube channel. Here, what you're gonna find. So there is weekly content, daily content, and the other neat and fun thing that's coming up is I have interviews with various other professional artists. Some wonderful knowledge just to have, and you're welcome to share these with your students. So thank you so much for coming to Watercolor Live. I look forward to meeting you and talking with you in the breakout rooms. Take care. See you. Bye.